Hi folks, my name is Eli, and on this video I'm going to show you how I managed to repair my JV1080, which kept reporting internal battery low, even though I replaced the battery twice because I thought maybe the manufacturer is not good enough, maybe it's not strong enough, and I found an impossible problem, and probably caused by a careless repairman before I repaired this module. So let's dive into the module, into the problem, and I'll show you how I managed to repair it and what was the problem itself. So this is my JV1080, the main board, and as you can see, this is the internal battery which keeps the memory, this memory chip, the RAM chip, static RAM, from deleting its content. And below this chip is the buffer to check for the battery voltage and report the CPU for the battery voltage. Now, I managed to get the service manual of the JV1080, and I could barely find the schematical diagram of the battery circuit. As you can see, it is extremely small, and as you can see here, this part is dual diodes. As you can see in the diagram, the two diodes, one from the battery and the other from the 5-volt regulator from the power supply, which is right here. All the power regulators. This is the rectifier. And the problem was that underneath the battery there are two lines on the circuit board. I'll move the wire so we can see it. One is right here, this one, and another one goes underneath straight to this tiny resistor, 10 kilo ohm resistor. This one, it says 103 on the resistor, 10 kilo ohms. And I found that due to a careless repair, I found rust. You can probably see what left of it. I found some rust under the battery housing, and found out that this wire on the printed circuit board, this lead, and the other one which goes under the battery were broken. And there are two connectors, because this is a dual side or multi-layer printed circuit board, and you can see that in each joint right here there are connectors which goes through the board to the other side and connect this lead, these leads, to the leads underneath. And what happened is, what I found, that the connectors, the internal connectors of the battery were broken. So this one, this lead, and this lead were not connected. So I had to connect them manually. This is why I soldered a wire here from the battery positive, from the battery plus, and I found that this resistor was burned. Very rare problem. So I added a 10 kilo ohm here, and I added a wire to bypass it straight to the diode. And this repaired the problem. And now when I check the voltage here between pin 32 and the ground, then I found 3 volts. The battery is about 3.1 volts when it's new. It's a CR2032 battery, lithium, which lasts about 5 to 10 years. And when I check here between the ground and pin 32, when the power is off, I found about 3 volts here on the positive terminal of the RAM chip. So if you keep on getting the battery low warning, internal battery low, so first try to replace this battery, and for this you have to remove the top printed circuit board, which is for the 4 expansion boards, and replace the battery. It's very easy. Just push the holding pin and it will pop out, and then put a new one. And if it will keep on reporting low battery, then you probably have a problem either with the resistor or with the two diodes, which I doubt, or with the buffer, as I showed you here, the IC chip lower at the bottom. So thanks for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye bye.